وديna, did you hear about the flood in our city last week? It was terrible. Yes, Mazin. I saw it on the news. The water covered the streets and many cars got stuck. It looks scary. Yes, my uncle's house was damaged. The water flooded his living room, and he had to stay with us for a few days. That's so sad. I hope he's okay now. Floods are terrible, and now there's a drought. No rain in China for months. Farmers can't grow crops because there's no water. Yes, droughts are awful. The land gets so dry that animals can't find water. And I heard that a wildfire is spreading in the forest in the USA. Oh no. Is it close to the mountains? Yes, and it spreads quickly because it's dry there and the winds are so strong. Sadly, many trees burned down and animals lost their homes. What a pity! Let's learn more about how we can stay safe and help our planet.